If you ever walk into your kitchen and see Patrick and Sandy scrubbing dishes with SpongeBob, do not cry. If you do, they'll wring him out until he rips. Follow these rules to save him. Rule 1. Patrick will drop a fork on the floor. Pick it up and place it in the sink. If you leave it, he'll smash every dish in the house until you join the pile. Rule 2. Sandy will hand you a sponge half covered in bubbles. Don't use it. That's SpongeBob's cousin. Instead, grab the yellow dish towel hanging on the oven handle. Wipe one plate with it, no more. Rule 3. When they turn to argue, open the oven. Inside, you'll see Gary crawling across the hot racks, leaving a slimy trail that cools the metal. Pick him up fast and whisper, "Time for a snack." He'll spit out a small Krabby Patty. Eat it whole. Rule 4. Toss the wrapper into the sink. If SpongeBob's eyes blink twice, he's safe. Final rule. Walk backwards out of the kitchen. If you return later and hear dishes are glowing, don't look. They're still cleaning. And this time, you're next.